Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Give them a high five. All right. Say
Fist bump.
fist bump. Say mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Hi guys, my name is Leah Marley here. This is my baby Ace Marley, Acey Wacey. And today I am going to be doing a how-to video on how to do two-strand twists when you have locks. And to do my two-strand twist today, I'm going to be using Dr. Locs and then Rubberbands. Okay, so on this part of the video that I am showing you guys now, you can see that I am taking each lock and I'm twisting it at the root individually. So I'm also grabbing that other lock and I am palm rolling that to the right as well, because that is the way that I twist all of my locks. To the right, to the right. But anyway, so as I was explaining to you guys earlier, when you're doing your two-strand twist, you have to individually twist each lock as you wrap them around each other. So as you can see, I'm making one of my locks go clockwise and I'm making the other lock go counterclockwise, and I'm wrapping those locks around each other. So I'm also going to show you all another angle because that first angle was pretty horrible, I know. So again, you're just going to take one of your locks, palm roll it and twist it to wherever direction you twist your locks. And then you're going to take your second lock that you will be using, palm roll it as well. And then after you do that, you're going to take both of your locks. That lock right there, I'm going to be twisting to the right. And then the other lock, I'm going to be twisting to the left. As I'm doing that, I am also wrapping the locks against each other. I'm doing all three of those moves in the same, like simultaneously. So I twist one lock to the left, one lock to the right, or counterclockwise and clockwise, and then I wrap them around each other. Okay, go watch TV, go watch Pets. So sometimes, real quick before I go, you can miss a lock. I've done it plenty of times. So back here you can see that this is twisted and I was missing a lock in the area. So what I like to do is just twist that separate lock that got away as so, find the nearest two-strand twist, and I just like to wrap the single lock around the one that I've already twisted. The same way, just make sure that you're twisting the lock as you wrap around so it can stay. And once it gets not to the end, but like maybe an inch before the end, I'll go ahead and put a rubber band on like twice just to secure. So this is the finishing product.